Many people have apps and programs installed that they don't actually need. Some of these programs may be outdated, which can be dangerous if they have security holes. Others may be bloatware or junk that you can safely remove from your computer to speed it up and free up space. Here are some common Windows apps and programs that you probably don't need installed on your computer anymore and what you can replace them with. Third-party antivirus programs, like Norton and McAfee, have become more than just antivirus software. They offer plenty of other services, including a VPN, firewall, and PC cleaner. They really only slow down your computer more than actually protecting it. By uninstalling any third-party antivirus programs, you can speed up your computer a lot. Windows comes with a built-in antivirus, called Microsoft Defender, so there is usually no need to install a third-party antivirus program. Antivirus software can also get expensive and become an unnecessary cost to owning and using a computer. Considering how built-in security has improved in Windows, antivirus software is probably not worth the cost and reduced performance of your computer. You are much better off relying on the built-in security features in Windows and keeping your system updated. Cleaning utilities, registry cleaners, performance optimizers, and driver updaters like CCleaner are unnecessary when there are plenty of built-in tools in Windows to effectively remove unwanted files and speed up your computer. They are more likely to bring down the performance of your computer when they are not doing anything. Cleaning utilities can get intrusive and often distract you with unnecessary pop-ups and reminders, and can even install browser toolbars or extensions without your permission. Windows Update will install important updates automatically, and if you need to update drivers, you should get it straight from the manufacturer's website, not a third-party program. Most of the time, these kinds of tools are more of an annoyance than a benefit. Flash was used to create web apps, games, and animations. Adobe stopped supporting Flash in 2021. Although it's blocked in all modern browsers now, you should still uninstall Flash Player. This will keep you safe from any future security issues because it's no longer updated by Adobe. WinRAR has been widely used for years due to its ease of use, efficiency in compressing files, and support for various archive formats. WinRAR is available on a trial basis, but the program never locks you out or forces you to pay for it after the trial has expired. Similar programs, like 7-Zip and the built-in tools on Windows that do not constantly remind them about paying for the software, have become more popular and cover most users' needs. Antivirus browser extensions that protect against harmful websites are not really needed now. Most modern browsers already have built-in security features which can block harmful websites and downloads, and your regular antivirus should handle things. Antivirus extensions can be a privacy risk and collect a lot of data about the websites you visit. Also, they are not always accurate and can block safe websites. Avoiding any third-party extensions that claim to protect you from harmful websites can speed up your browser and protect your privacy. VPNs are useful for bypassing geo-blocking and accessing region-locked content, but avoid using free VPN browser extensions. Many free VPN browser extensions are not reliable and do not provide real privacy, encryption, and security. They often log user information and don't provide much information about how they will use it. Some may even sell your browsing habits to third parties. That's why it's best to stick to actual VPN programs installed on your computer. Microsoft ended support for Internet Explorer in June 2022. Without any security updates, it's vulnerable to security issues that can put your computer and data at risk. Any vulnerabilities that are discovered will remain open to exploit. That's why you should stick with modern, regularly updated browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, and avoid using any outdated browsers. Microsoft Silverlight is a web application framework developed by Microsoft that enables the creation of rich internet applications and media experiences. Silverlight is not supported by Microsoft anymore. Most modern browsers, like Chrome and Firefox, stopped supporting it years ago, and Microsoft Edge didn't support it from the start. The only browser that still works with Silverlight is Internet Explorer, so you can safely uninstall it, as you are very unlikely to come across any pages that require you to use it. Unless you absolutely need iTunes, iCloud, or QuickTime on your computer for some reason, like syncing data with your phone, avoid installing Apple's apps for Windows. These apps constantly connect to Apple's servers, which slow down your computer. Microsoft also doesn't support Apple apps, and they don't even roll out enough updates for these apps. Apple stopped supporting QuickTime in 2016 due to security vulnerabilities. Although it still receives updates on macOS, Apple has not supported the Windows version since 2016. Because of these security issues, you should remove QuickTime if you have it installed on your Windows PC. Unless you're a professional photographer or videographer, these kinds of programs are a lot more trouble than they're worth. Complex image and video editors often take up a lot of space on your computer and are packed with so many features that it's easy to get lost and frustrated. If you need to do some simple edits, like adjusting the brightness, cropping the image, or adding text, it's best to stick with simple, user-friendly editors, like Microsoft Photos and Microsoft Paint, which can handle most everyday tasks. Free download managers can really slow down your web browser. They often fill your web browser with annoying ads and pop-ups, and some may even collect your data without your permission. You should stick to your browser's built-in download features, and it's not worth the reduced performance. Your browser will run much better without a third-party download manager. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to receive notifications whenever new content is posted, you can click on the bell icon after subscribing.